Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little update on my brainstorming notebook. My brainstorming notebook is a notebook I will use in addition to my planner in order to keep up with any random daily notes that happen throughout my day. So I will put a bunch of different things within this notebook, and in today's video, I just want to share with you how I organize it. I have done a couple of videos on my brainstorming notebook in the past, but I like to do one every now and then just in case we have new people on my channel who may have not heard of me talk about it before. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the Leuchtturm 1917 notebook. I did purchase this one from Amazon, and I will leave it linked below if you are interested in it. It does come with a band that I absolutely love because I usually will store my pens at the top. I use the InkJoy 0.7 pens, the Papermate ones, and I will keep a red and a black ink pen at the very top, and I will just use the band to hold it all together so that I can throw it in my bag. So the very first thing that you see when you open up the notebook is my key. So on my cover page, I always add the type of notebook. So this is my brainstorming notebook and the date that I started. I will also add the date that it ended as soon as we are completed with this notebook. And below that is my key. So I use these stickers from Office Depot, which I keep in the back pocket here, but I will use these circle dots from Office Depot in order to keep up and organize all of the notes that are in this book. So we have red dots for my work and my social media posts that I'm going to be doing, green for reading and learning, so that's if I am listening to a podcast or I watch a YouTube video and I hear something that's very interesting and I want to add it and make sure that I store it, I will add a green dot to let myself know that that is what that information is for. Yellow is for home and family things. So if I am organizing or thinking something through for my family, I will use yellow. And then blue is for church. And so I buy these, they come in like a pack of 100 from Office Depot. And then I will just take a few of them and keep them in this back pocket here so that it's really easy for me to access them when I need them. And after my key page, it goes directly into the notebook. And with this notebook, it is a bunch of different things that I will keep in here, which is why I like to organize it by the stickers. But I will add anything that I am thinking. It could be a bunch of random ideas. It could be notes that I am taking throughout my day. It could be things that I don't need in the long haul, but I just need a spot for it at this very moment, like a phone number. But the things that go in this notebook is not necessarily ready for my planner yet. This is my spot where I will process. I will just basically process anything that is going on in my head that I just need to kind of work through before I am ready to organize it. And everything that's in here does not end up in my planner, because sometimes I will write it down here and it just lives here until I am finished with it. Other times, if I need to schedule it, I need to organize it, I need a place to store it because I'm going to do something with that information, then it will move into my planner. For instance, these are my YouTube video ideas. So some ideas I know that I am going to end up working on. So when I decide to work on it and film it, it will move over into my planner. However, sometimes I will decide not to do a video yet, or I might push it down the line. And so I will scratch it through, or I might not have anything next to it yet because I haven't decided when I am actually going to do that idea. But this is the spot for all of my ideas. And I have been using this notebook since February, and we have about maybe a good little bit that I have filled out, but we still have many more pages that I can fill out. Usually it takes me about 6 months in order to complete a book. I usually go through 2 notebooks a year of my brainstorming notebook, and since we just started this one in February, it probably won't be until closer to the end of the year until I am finished this one. But I will add a dot at the very top of each one of these pages. And the dots just quickly let me know if it's for home, if it's for work, if it's for church, if it's something that I am learning. I was doing systems theory for my financial therapist certification. And so anytime I am writing in here, I will just kind of add a dot so that I can quickly and easily see what's in here. And then sometimes I won't add a dot at all because it's just me jotting down something really quickly and I'm never going to look at this again, so I don't even need to reference it. And so I will do this throughout the entire notebook, and it really just helps me to keep up with all of the things that I am thinking about, brainstorming, getting out of my head, and just putting on paper. So I'm definitely going to still be using this one in the month of April. I do have a section for notes within my planner if I was to ever need it. Now this is definitely my first choice. I will usually come to my brainstorming notebook as my first choice, as my best place to process. I find that I do better with processing when it's in a separate notebook rather than processing in a section within my planner. But I still do like to have a note section in my planner just in case I do not have my notebook in front of me. And so I am going to continue to use my brainstorming notebook like this for the month of April because it's definitely working. But that is how my brainstorming notebook and my planner work together. I hope that this video has helped you, and I hope that I have encouraged you to pick up a brainstorming notebook. I really do believe it will help you in order to really enhance your planning system. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you have a brainstorming notebook and how it's working for you, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.